Something pretty historic just happened in the world of seafood. In 2022, global aquatic animal production hit a massive 185.4 million tons, and for the first time, over half of that came from aquaculture. Asia's leading the way. Yes, China alone produces more than 36% of the world's aquatic animals, followed by India, Indonesia, and Vietnam. But let's be clear, aquatic foods are more than just fish. They provide around 15% of all animal protein worldwide and feed over 3.2 billion people with key nutrients, omega 3s, vitamins, minerals, all vital for health. Now, here is a catch, only 62.3% of marine fish stocks are still fished at sustainable levels. Overfishing and poor managements are putting global food security at risk. So, looking ahead, production is expected to rise another 10% by 2032. But in regions like Africa, per capita consumption may actually fall. We have got to act fast to make seafood systems more fair, resilient, and sustainable. So, aquaculture is the future. Let's grow it right, sustainably, equitably, together.